Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present about ocean acidification that can affect marine life. So without further ado, what is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification refers to a reduction in pH of ocean caused by uptake of carbon dioxide from atmosphere. It occurs when the excess of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is being absorbed at the surface of the ocean at increasing rate. This excess carbon dioxide results in more hydrogen ion, which increase the acidity of the ocean. The main cause of ocean acidification is the burning of fossil fuel. Ocean acidification can cause problems to marine life since it can affect the formation of shell, growth, and reproduction of marine life. These graphs show rising level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, rising carbon dioxide level in the ocean, and decreasing pH in the water of the ocean.
In ocean acidification, the issue is the process of acidification will bind up carbonate ion and it can harmful for marine organisms, especially for species with shell like clam, mussel, and crab. The organism shells and skeleton will dissolve faster because ocean become more acidic. They will spend extra energy to repairing their damaged shell and to thickening them to survive. Because of this, their abilities to grow and reproduce will impacted. The goal of analysis in this case study is to explaining the effect, causes and factors contribute the ocean acidification process towards the marine organism, especially species with shell, and to find the solutions to curb the ocean acidification to make sure the marine life is less affected.
Next, what is the concept problem in this case study? Before that, we have to revise back the issues in this case study with ocean acidification can affect marine life when it can disturb the growth, reproduction, formation of shell in animal. So how do ocean acidification affect the growth, reproduction, and formation of cell in animal? First thing first, we have to know how the formation of shell in animal. It is formed primarily of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is formed when calcium ion bind with carbonate molecules. When ocean acidification occurs, carbon dioxide combines with water to form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid breaks down easily into bicarbonate molecules and hydrogen ion. Calcium and bicarbonate cannot bind together to form shell. Carbonate that usually form shell bind more easily with the hydrogen ion. This makes them unable to form shell, so the animal have to find more energy building their shell and have less energy for finding food. That means it's harder to grow and more will die off before they get big. Therefore, it will affect the growth and reproduction of marine life. However, it becomes worse. It can lead to extinction.
Next, we are moving to the key facts that should be considered. Ocean acidification is mainly caused by carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere dissolving into the ocean. Many factors contribute to rising carbon dioxide concentration. Currently, the using of fluorescent lamp and the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas is one of the major causes. The ocean absorbs carbon dioxide from human activities at around 22 million tons per day, means that the pH will decreasing and lead to ocean acidification to occur.
There are many alternatives that we can follow to help the ocean acidification from getting worse, such as save energy at home and decrease transportation-related emissions. The first alternative is save energy at home. We can save energy at our home by replacing incandescent with fluorescent light bulbs or light-emitting diodes. This is because this type of bulbs reduce energy use and carbon emissions. Other than that, we should turn off light and electric devices when we are not using them. Second alternative is decrease transportation-related emission. This can be done by adjusting our driving practice, like avoiding high acceleration. This is because there will be more carbon dioxide released when we driving at high accelerations. These two alternatives are recommended because both of alternatives release less carbon dioxide into atmosphere, which can help slow ocean acidification.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Nusna Ulia binti Mustafa. So I will conclude about ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is happening now and will continue as more CO2 is emitted to the atmosphere. If CO2 emission continue at the same rate, the current evidence points towards substantial changes in the century at the species, community and ecosystem level from the cold polar and subpolar waters to the tropics, the deep ocean and productive coastal and upwelling areas. Last but not least, we should take care of our ocean and try our best to prevent this continuous problem happen. That's all from our group. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and thank you for your time.